Okay, I apologize for using this Dremel and looking like a fool. I actually thought it would cut through that like butter, but here's a tool that I keep in my Jeep. Now it almost cut it. It almost cut it, the Dremel, but this isn't actually a toy. It's just made to cut plastic and shit like that, or maybe wood, but not metal, not heavy studs. It's a 3/8 half-inch diameter stud here. I do believe I'm gonna have to I am going to have to grind that down with my grinder. I didn't get it flush, so that's thicker than the washers that I'm going to be putting on there. So we do need to do something with it. We need to grind it down. But shit, man, this shit just keeps piling up, man. I think this will do it. Boy, a bandsaw would be nice. And this is the isolator washer right here. I knew it would be a bitch to find these things. Now this is a nylon washer also, but you can see it's not perfect, but it'll get the job done. Once it rests on that stud, this is the only thing I could find. So I knew finding these would be kind of a bitch. And sure enough, it was a bitch to find them, the washers. Okay, I'm gonna cut you out right now. No sense in you watching me bust my balls trying to cut this. You really don't want to use a grinder. That's a lot of sparks. You know what I'm saying? But I will. I do have a red grinder that around here somewhere, but I don't know where it is. Anyways, we're gonna cut out right now.